Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy TOSIN. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. When thinking about Lagos State, most people think about traffic. Lagos State, with the population of over 25 million people, is so congested and the traffic here is mad. In order to discongest this traffic, the Lagos State government came up with an initiative of rail transportation, the mass rail transit, which have been in construction for some time. There are different types of rail transportation here in Lagos State, which are the red line, the blue line, the green line, the yellow line, etc. The blue line and the red line is in construction at the moment, while other lines are coming up very soon. But today, I'll be sharing with you one of the stations on the red line corridor, the Oshodi train station. The red line is a 37-kilometer line that runs from Agbado and terminates at Oyingbo, Lagos, Nigeria. Like every other station on the red line corridor, has its own newly built train station, apart from the Oshodi station, which will be using the existing Terminal 3 at the BRT complex as its own train station. There is a train platform here like every other station on the red line corridor. The train platform is where passengers alight and board the train. There is a pedestrian bridge here at Oshodi. The bridge will help pedestrians to cross the rail track once the train is in full operation. The rail track will be closed and pedestrians can only make use of this bridge. There's a pedestrian bridge here like every other station on the red line corridor, which will connect the rail line to the BRT complex through a walkway. When completed, this will give passengers the option to pick from, either to take the train or the BRT, as the train station is built right beside the BRT terminal, or alight from the train and take the BRT to your final destination, and vice versa. When completed, the red line will provide employment for thousands of Nigerians and boost the state economy to facilitate the movement of citizens across the state. Thanks for watching this video up to this extent. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. We'll meet in the next one. Peace.